Hey everyone, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and today is Tuesday full of tinies, and it is Christmas in July, and I'm really excited to be here. I've got my dinosaur and Christmas sweaters, and you get another partial voiceover tonight, touching my bow and touching my binder, touching my cash tray, and saying words that I don't remember. That I filmed this morning, and I don't know what I'm about to do. Tina. Okay. I'm so sorry. This should be better. Okay, so I'm going to pull out my 6 little tinies that I started, and they're so little and so cute. I love them. We'll leave the money in there. We don't really need it right now. And yeah, as you can see, I've not fixed my extra tinies little Vanna White. Yeah, so I have a bunch and I don't really have it organized. I meant to be on the ball this weekend, but I was not. So I'm just going to pull out a couple things and set them off to the side. So yeah, I have a lot. I should probably go through there. And some of them are mine, and I know there's a lot of duplicates. So, and then I found some more that I cut out last weekend, and obviously some more mine. There we go. Oops, falling over. So that should be good for now. And I put the paper clip back on, of course. All right, so set that off to the side for now, and then we will put out our tinies. Yes, okay. So I will try to go over them. This is Norella's budgets. These were some freebies she had, and I did make a little bit smaller, but her regular size that she had them at was just slightly bigger than that, but I still made it a tiny bit smaller. Hey K budgets, I definitely shrunk those down. She had 4 little circles, so I have 3 more Mondays, so I will go ahead and fill in the amount for each Monday. Gonna scoot my dice tower over. I think we decided on a name for that. That was gonna be Crystal. So this is Julie's pages. I need 1 more on that surfboard and then another $2, and that one will be done. Here's my little sleepy snowman. He looks like he's taking the world's best nap. Oh, I'm saying I have this on my website. This is the tiny size. There's also a mini size. You can buy them separately or you can buy them together. Here's Hey K Budget's Christmas avocado. Looks like he's jump roping the Christmas lights, which I find adorable. These are Glamnetic nails, by the way, and they look really good. I've had them on for days, so I'm very impressed. And we're another Julie's pages that I have my, oh, there we go, just showing you. Very close up. Sorry for the blurriness. Julie, it's because it's so tiny and I have to bring it all the way up to the camera. So I have 1 more present left, and we will have saved $5. I think I'm saying I have extra tinies over there. My tray. I don't know what I'm saying. You know, I don't even know what I'm saying when I'm saying it. So, Coco, please don't bark. I can't figure out how to redo this. Stop it. Hush. Hush. Shh. Coco. Hush. Come here. You want to do the voiceover with me? Okay, so we are about to get started. So we're going to put Tina down, and we're going to put $1 in each spot. And so far, it's off to a better start than the mini Mondays. And 6. And 3. I think I'm going through this pretty fast because, as if you watched my Monday Full of Minis video, oh my God, so many noises. I am so sorry. If you watched that video, I had a blinking green light on my mic, so I thought, oh yeah, I'm fine. It's probably just telling me it's low battery. No big deal. So I was trying to speed through this, and turns out there was no sound. So after I put all the money down, I actually turned it off and charged my mic. So I'm hoping that the second half of the video actually has sound and you can hear me talk about stuff. So I'm flying through. I'm just not going to shout out numbers, but I'm not, this isn't even sped up. I have Coco on my lap. It's so cute. There's someone, Yahoo, setting off fireworks on a Sunday night, 10 days after the 4th. So there's that. All right, let's see. No idea what that is. This is funny. Like, I feel like you guys should just do the voiceover for this, because I would love to hear what you guys think I'm saying. But I don't think YouTube would like it if I put out a video without any sound. I don't think you guys would like it, even though I would find it entertaining if you guys added sound. Let's see. Yeah, I am flying. I believe I had $34. Look at me. I'm like, all done. Woo! And then now I'm saying something about my mic. I'm going to leave everything here and I will be back. All right, I'm going to clean this up a little bit. And let's see what we got. Okay, we'll start with my little sleepy snowman. And this comes with another little snowman in a stocking. So that's kind of cute. So let's see what we got. We got $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my gosh, we got exactly what we needed. That's awesome. Okay, so this is a completed challenge. Yay, I'll ding at the end. So I don't know if you can see, I'll do this one next. But, oh, here's some markers. I'm going to put the completed ones up like that, and I'm going to put the cash right in here. Okay, so next we will do Julie's pages with the cute little palm trees and the presents. So we only needed one, which I know we got, but we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to put the 1 here. Write down 1 here. So this is 5. This is completed. Yay. Oh, wait, I'm totally failed at that. Okay, so let's see. I shrunk down this, obviously. So I'm going to use one from Elaine Realized. This is the one with the actual water in the background. I'm going to make each little firework $2. And then, so that can be that one. And then I need another one. Here's the Santa without the water and the size she probably wanted. All right, I think the other one I'm going to do is the little bit bigger Christmas one. So this is one that I'll do that we haven't started yet. And then this one I will put, I take that back. This one we'll do later because I want to make each one of these $1. I don't know why it matters, I guess. So the next two I'm doing are Elaine Realized. I'm going to do the little one that I shrunk down. I think this is the size that she did for her tinies. But you know how I like teeny tiny things. So I'm going to do the teeny tiny one and then the regular size. And this is the Christmas tree with the fireworks. And then this is Santa on the beach with a surfboard and some fireworks. So I have $3 for the one I just finished. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. So So this one's ongoing, and then this one can be the first one that we did, and I won't start it, and I'll make it $1 or $2, haven't decided. If I make it $1, it's easier, especially if I have lower numbers. So the Hey K budgets, the watermelon with the little Santa hat on, totally cracks me up. Today we get to put in a circle. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So put that money here, and then this is ongoing. Very fun. So that goes here. And then the next one is another Hey K budgets. I'll lift it up so you can see it because it's super tiny. It's Christmas avocado. Doing jump rope with the little Christmas lights. Super cute. Each one of these is $1. Each little circle is $1. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and $5 for this one. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we still have a little bit of circles to go, but super cute. So that's ongoing. And then up next is our Julie's Pages surfboard and a Christmas tree and the little seashells on the tree. Super cute detail. And today we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. We needed $3, so we'll keep that $1 out. So I will put 1 here for the other one, and then a 2 for our $3. So this one is also finished. Put that there, and then these $3 can go in, and then we have $1 for another challenge. Let's see. Could have sworn I'm going to put a, let's see. I am going to do Bookish Mama Budgets. I shrunk down. It's this little tiny ornament with some cute little bunnies. Is he on a unibike? A unicycle? Oh my god, that's hilarious. Okay. Each one of these will be $1. So we got 1. So I'll put this with the rest of the cash. And then this here. So let's make sure we have 5 here because I'm worried I messed up somewhere. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, good. I did not mess up. And our last one is Norella's Budgets. Super cute candy canes and Christmas decorations. I think I shrunk this one a tiny bit from what she had it, but I don't have the original with me because I printed it out so you could see the difference. But I still shrunk it down a little bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's see. I'm going to do 3 and 2 because we only have 2 more Mondays, so I want to be able to finish it then. So we got $5 today, and we have our 6th little tiny challenge there. So now I'm going to go ahead and put all this back. I'm going to get my Tuesday Full of Tiny binder out. Okay, so let's put first things first. Let's grab this money out. Take this money and put this with this. So these are all the ones that have been marked off on all of these. These tinies can go back in here because we're currently working on those. So let's see, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, $10. Let's just write $10 on this one. We got $5, so that's 15, and then a 12, so that is 27. Perfect. So let's grab $12. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So that can be this one, and then $5. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then put all of this back in here, and it'll be ready to go for next Tuesday. And we have 2 more Tiny Tuesdays, Christmas in July edition. Oh wait, I need to put this back in here. Okay, let's do some ringing of the bell. I don't know if I rang the bell for Mini Monday. I think I did. Okay, so Julie's Pages, Cute Christmas in July. Yay! So I'm going to put this over here because I'm going to put that in my completed challenges. I'm going to put this in the randomizer money. And then the next one is another Julie's Pages. Yay! And this is $5 going into the randomizer. And then another one completed. This is from my website. Yay, $12. So let's add all of this together and see what we have so far. We're only halfway through the month. I did condense a lot because I needed the ones for today's video. So, okay. So in my randomizer envelope for just Tiny Tuesdays for the first 3 Tuesdays of July, we've saved 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43. So $143 we've saved in just the first 3 of our Tiny Tuesdays in July. That's so cool. And granted, some of them were probably started in June and we just finished them in July, but a lot of them have been these little tinies. That's $10, $5, or $12. So it's adding up. So I can't complain about that. So I'm going to put the completed ones in here because I like to look at the end of the month to see how much we finished regardless of what it was. All right, so that is all I have for Tuesday Full of Tinies Christmas in July edition. And just a friendly reminder, if you only pop in for the Tinies, to go back and probably want to watch my Sunday video where I'm cash stuffing my wallet and binders for the week. So until next time, which is my live on Thursday night, it's about 5:15 p.m. West Coast time, 8:15 p.m. Eastern time. And I'll hop on and do my Christmas binder. And I'm usually on for about an hour, hour and a half, depending on how many people are there and if we're talking a lot and how slow I'm going because I want to read all the chat. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you Thursday in my live and Friday at the mall. Take care. Bye.